So doing this, give it 16 ounces of water, walk away for 15 minutes, come back, give it another 16 ounces of water, come back. And also making sure to treat that water, like initially that first gallon of water with Drops Balance BAM, just because Drops Balance acts as very similar as like a yucca extract. So it's going to help break surface tension very quickly and allow for water to be absorbed in your soil media much quicker than just regular water or tap water that comes out of your faucet or even distilled water, because it takes on the properties of like a yucca extract. So when you do this process of put on 60 ounces of water, walk away for 15 minutes, or it could be even 32 ounces of water, right? Walk away for 15 minutes, come back, redo it, another 16 or 32 ounces, and then redo this process over a course of an hour, allowing your media to absorb this water, and then you're able to really measure how much water your pond has not had in it the whole time, right? And then you start thinking about, okay, no chemistry can happen without water, right? And if you don't have enough water, then your electrical conductivity starts to get thrown off very quickly. Everything that starts to get thrown off very quickly, right? So this whole time, throughout your entire grow, now you're starting to build your awareness how much more water your soil could have been holding on to. Then you start to realize, wow, my chemistry has been off the whole time. And because chemistry happens 24 hours a day in your soil with your bacteria and your fungi and your total biodynamic living soil mindset, and then you start to realize that your chemistry has been off and it's been very inefficient. So that's why doing this technique of making sure you have a full tank of water every couple of weeks. You don't have to do this all the time, because it's important to be aware that as the plant grows, the root systems are going to get larger. It's going to get more compact in your pots if you're not growing in grow beds. All these factors are going to start to, in some level, affect the amount of water retention, salt buildup, dry pockets. I talk about this all the time. All these different things are going to be affected. And when you refill the tank, it's just going to allow the chemistry to take place, and you're not going to ever really truly fall behind, because, just like a car, right? You fill up a tank of gas and you can drive for depending on how much you drive, obviously, you could drive for a couple weeks before you have to refill it. Same thing with the plant. If you fill up the pot and make sure you do a daily watering and you navigate and figure out how much the plant actually needs, that pot/tank is going to stay full, where everything's going to be able to run efficiently.